papasok na tayo sa early history, which is A. Part of my activity in art and literature there. Explain to me what is it. This is the introduction to early history, the development process of human civilization, closely related to the formation of the changes in environment and its surrounding areas. Pasok po tayo. So we have this one, Jurassic time. Creation time. The creation of landforms. So yung ayun, this one is scary. Happy Halloween, everyone. You're not here. You're not here. Ano kaya beauty yung bunga natin? Scary yan. Happy Halloween. This is considered art? No. This is bone, right? Skeleton. Skeleton. Oh my God. Yeah, we are here now in Museum Negara. I'm here and this is it. This is National Museum or Museum Negara of Malaysia. And this is so nice. This is Euro Sableng. Yeah. And this is wow, so nice po. Look at this. I love this. Look at this. This is nice. Parang feeling ko nasa Borneo. Diba? Ito po yung kapaligiran. Oh. Ito yung, ano ba to? What is this? What is the title? What is the site? Huh? Islam?
Malay Kingdom.
Malay Kingdom pala. Pero the reason why I'm here is to check for the paintings as I need for my school. Ayan, Kapal Karang. Kapal is oh, I thought Kapal is aeroplano. Oh, ito pala yung bangka nila, oh. Dati. Yeah. So, ayan, vlog lang tayo. Kailangan ko kasi sa subject ko sa arts and humanities. Meron kaming dapat gawin here. Yan. Dito na kami. Ito na ang tatlong hari, Charles. Hindi yan hari. Sila ang Raha Melaka. Ole Syed Abdul Aziz. O, di pa, bongga. Hindi sila makamali. So, ayan. Sariling sikap tayo. Welcome to Museum Negara. Naka-ID pa ako. Proud to be SPISTN yan. Nagtaka yung rito, yung counter. Kasi sabi ko student ako. Tapos, tinanong sa ang school. Siyempre, hindi ko naman sabing nasa Pilipinas yung school, di ba? Ito na po yung cave. Ito yung mga silang unang panahon dito. During the earth. Yan. Ha?
Cave painting.
Ano siya pera? See, ganyan sila namumuhay dati. What? Silk?
Cave painting.
Okay, painting. Sorry naman, pingi. See? Galing, no? 10,000 to 11,000 years ago. So, this one can be part of my No. Cannot, right? I need a painting, di ba? There is it. Ito po ang pinto A, door A. Marami pa po tayong pupuntahan na iba-ibang lugar here. Ayan. Diba? Lawak. Ngayon ako nakapunta rito in my 19 years in Malaysia. Malaysia, truly Asia. Punta naman tayo sa ibang door po. Yan, nagpasal ko ulit kayo. Ngayon naman po, aakyat tayo sa pinto C para tingnan. Ando ang pinto C, ando ang pinto D. Okay, lawak. Let's go! Let's go! Ako, mga ilang baitang kaya to. So, from here, you can see the people is. This is the different places of Malaysia. They have, what's this? Chinese. What's this? Oh, it's Indian. And Filipino. No Philippines. Bago nito, pero ipapahin. Jojowain to tropahin. Hi, we are now going to Door D or Gallery, which is the historical people or historical moment of the people in Malaysia. Ayan sila, oh. Yan yung book. This is the teacher before. How they teach. Ayan, television. This is the soldier, communist, and
Communist.
Communist and Malayan Army. Army and Communist. This is the Communist Party. This is the Army. And this is the way they communication. They stop. And so on and so forth. This is the home guard. Home guard. And, oh my God, there's a fish. Ilang is that? So this is it. Panakalayo. This is the painting here. So later I will show you the painting that I did for the art gallery. Oh, this is their map. Malaysian map.
Flag.
First flag. First flag pala. First flag of Malaysia. Okay na. So, ako sa painting na. Oh my God, look at it. But this is the way they transportation before, like, you know, in Philippines, instead of horses, they do this, the human transport. So it's an easy life also. And this is a train before here. Typing, yung town. Typing. You're typing, right? No? But you see, now we are, yan o, maraming nag-aano dito sa mga puno. Punta na tayo sa... Punta na tayo sa pinto D para sa aking art. See you! Hi, we are now in the Dorsi or Pinto C. It's a colonial era kung saan pumunta ang mga Portuguese dito sa Malaysia. Kasi from the book, paano sila napunta ng Malaysia? The Portuguese route, Malacca. At nakikita ng ating bansa ng Pilipinas. So, hindi sila dumaan sa Pilipinas. They just from Cambodia to Malacca to Kochi. So, pasok po tayo. This is the Portuguese before. Ito po yung kanilang sinakyan. So, there's one. Ito yung kanilang mga armas, tannery and brass. Then, may picture dati. Medyo puro bato. And that is the Chukla naman. Yan, ganyan. Ay, elephant! Yeah! Elephants! Ito po yung kanilang sinakyan. This is it. Ito po yung sinakyan nila. soldadong kasuosan. Ayan, ito yung mga bagong araw. Dutch administration. Tapos ito yung mga kanyon. Ano daw kanyon? Yan. So, dito pa lang po tayo. Wala po tayo sa mga arts. Singapura. What is this? Bunga mas. Bunga mas. Yes. Gold. 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 Sila po yung mga sultan ng araw. Ganda. Yan yung pala nila yan. Paano sila mag-meeting diyan? Mag-chismisan. Yun, Marites. That is the way the Marites practice. Marites! Papa. This is the money, the currency before. So you can see the currency. It's so big. Hey, I love it. I love the currency. And ito naman po yung rapid tapping. Ay! Rapid tapping! Yung video ko dati, kung paano gumagawa ng rapid tapping. This is it. Rapid tapping, no? Remember last time I had vlog also showing how to do the rapid tapping. So ito yung lagi ng bago ng rapid tapping. Okay. I love this painting. I love this painting. It's showing us how the pollution kill our country. Dog die, animal die. These three girls experiencing poverty and rejection. So this is made by Stop Damaging Our Country by Ko Leong Kang. Yeah.
Sige, let's go.